Hey everyone! In this video I'll show you exactly how to get your Trading 212 referral link so you can invite friends and earn free fractional shares. If you have an active Trading 212 Invest account or ICA, you're eligible to join their Invite a Friend program. It's a simple way for both you and your friends to earn free stocks just by sending out a referral link. First, open the Trading 212 app and head over to the menu tab. Once you're there, look for the option that says Get Free Shares and tap on it. You'll then see an option to invite friends. Tap that, and you'll get access to your unique referral link. To send the link, just tap the Share Link button. This lets you send it through apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or however you usually contact people. Every time a friend signs up using your link and funds their account, you'll both get rewarded with a free fractional share. There's also another way to send invites. You can invite people directly from your phone's contact list. Invite contacts, grant permission for the app to access your contacts, and then start sending invites right from there, and that's it. You've now got your referral link and a couple of easy ways to share it. Start inviting your friends and enjoy those free shares while helping others get started with investing. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos.